What's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, can you smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you get notified. So in this video I'll be walking you through how to use Kalodata in Italy. So if you are being someone that already have interest in making money through TikTok shops, but you don't know the best tools that will actually help you to find out which product you should actually sell on your TikTok shop account, or which product you should try to make a video review about. So in this video I'm walking you through how to use Kalodata for such ideas. So basically Kalodata has been helping a lot of content creators out there to make more money, and another way around, you are going to make money, and also the platform will also help you get everything that you need. So Kalodata is one of the best tools for TikTok shop analytics and insights. So a lot of people have been using Kalodata, and I believe you will also enjoy using these particular tools. So if you are in Italy, so all you just have to do is use the link in the description to get straight down to this page right here to sign up on Kalodata, and you will get 7 days free trial with no credit card required. And after that 7 days, if you actually like Kalodata, then you can proceed and subscribe to any of these plans. So for the starter plan, you're going to be paying $46, and for the professional plan you're going to be paying $90. And if you're a business owner, you can go for the enterprise one right here. And if you want to go for the yearly plan, maybe you actually enjoy how Kalodata works, then you can subscribe to the yearly plan. So there is a price slash on that for the starter plan. So instead of $46, you're going to be paying $38.03, and for the professional $75. And for the enterprise, you have to contact the support center. And scrolling all the way down, you're gonna see all the features on each of these package or plans, which of course I believe it will tell you exactly what you're gonna be getting, and then you can determine if that's exactly what you need or not. And if you scroll all the way, there are some customized data reports you can see right there. So if you want any of that, you can also go for it. There's a recharge plan for credit, for live record, for video download, and for sub account. They also have some frequently asked questions just in case you are interested in one. Then you can also reach out to the customer support center just in case you have some question to ask. So that is it for this particular page. So once you have signed up on this platform, all you just have to do is just click on the explore page right here. Then on the explore page, you're gonna see different features such as trending products, competitors list, affiliate creators, hot lives, hot videos, brand strategy. And if you scroll all the way down, you're gonna see top selling or hot selling ranking products that are selling on TikTok shop right now. You can see these shoes right here. You can see as projectors. You can see this one, see this one also, and see this one right here. So these are the trending products that are selling currently on TikTok shops. So if I click on more right here, you're gonna see top 10 products that are actually selling on TikTok shops. So scroll all the way down, you're gonna see the data. So you can see all this one right here. You can see the AirBuds. Then you can see this perfume. You see this one, and you see this one, kids stuff, I guess. So and if you swipe to the left, then you're gonna see the revenue on each of these products. So you can see the metrics, you see the revenue growth rates, you see the items sold, you see the average unit price, you see the commission rate on this product, and you see the top revenue content creators on that are promoting these products. Then you see the creator numbers, which is 127. That's a lot. Then you see the launch date, when the product was launched, and you can see the creator conversion ratio, which is 50%. That makes sense, right? So all you just have to do, if you want to get some ideas, all you just have to do, just look into the top creators and see how they are making their own video review about that particular product. So let's check on this one right here.
Sono venuta a dirti che le possiamo buttare. Guarda cosa ti ho preso su TikTok Shop. Aprila.
Can you see that? So that's the best way to make a video review to promote that particular product. This is another one right here.
già detto ragazzi, ste scarpe sono stracomode, come vedete dopo una giornata di lavoro
Easy
abbatto i
peasy.
chiodi, i miei piedi sono
Right, you can see it is another one right here.
Raga, oggi stavo per perdere il lavoro per colpa di uno snitch perché ha visto ste scarpe.
That makes sense. So this is another one for the projector, so let's check it out.
Finalmente mi è arrivato, guardate un po' che cosa mi è appena arrivato da TikTok, che ho comprato su TikTok, il mini proiettore Android.
That's a portable projector right there. You can see many projectors. That makes sense. So this is another one right here. So let's try to check it out.
Devo vedere che TV è, ma questa qua è mica una smart TV, ce l'ha 80 anni. Sì, non ho i soldi per regalarti una smart TV da 300 euro, ma ti lascio questo qua, va.
E cos'è sto?
Yeah, so this is another one right here. So let's check it out.
C'ho lì una TV da 75 a far nulla perché ormai gioco solo con questo. È un mini proiettore che ho collegato alla Switch e si vede da Dio. Cioè mi sembra di stare in sala giochi. Poi secondo me non rende dal video ma ha una risoluzione assurda. Vabbè, poi ovviamente si guarda anche Netflix.
Wow, that makes sense for you. So total creators for this one is just 40. So it's 90. This one 135, 115, 97, 197, 95. Sorry. So just have to explore to see which product you actually wanna promote on your TikTok shows. So we also have video and ads, you can see right here. So these are the people that are using a promotion to promote their own video in order to make sales on those products they are promoting. So items sold on this particular one is 700 plus. You can see the video. I think that's the same video I see the other time. So this is another one right here. So this is another one entirely. You can see the device, so it looks like Samsung, but it's not Samsung actually. So scroll the way and then you're gonna see some other ads. You can see some other ads. You can see some other ads. Right, so these are people that are promoting their own video in order to make money as fast as possible. So we also have live stream. So these are people that go live in order to promote a product. So you can see all the products they are promoting on live. You can see this one, you can see all this one right here, you can see almost everything, right? So you can see how long they also went live: 4 hours, 3 hours, 1 hour, 1 hour, 5 hours, 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours. That's a lot. I mean, but you know, this is a business, right? So you also see creators right here, which of course you can also check how many followers they have, how many revenue they are pulling up in the last 30 days, which is quite amazing. So you can see all this one right here. This is their followers. You can see this one, you can see this one. So you can see the data they are pulling in the last 30 days. Last 30 days, you can see right there. So you can see this is the top creator, and you can also check on the shops, which is quite also important. So you can see the shops, you can see the product that they are selling, you can see how much revenue they are also generating, which is quite amazing. So that is how you can start using Kalodata in Italy to find product to dropship or to start selling on your TikTok shop account. And if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section below, and I'll try as much as possible to reply you. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.